Again, the consciousness is still observing the play. And enlightenment journey, the spiritual journey, is about taking out all the experience, all the layers, all the ideas from us, so we can turn the awareness back and go in to actually see what consciousness truly is. So, to realize the conscious part of you as emptiness, you have to be empty. You cannot hold on to the layer and thinking and hoping that layer is going to take you to make you see who you are. No. It won't help you to see who you are if you're holding. You have to let go. Everything you have to let go. Even the things that help you, prepare you in your practice must go. If you're not able to let go, that itself is an attachment, a subtle attachment. And because of that, you are stuck there in your meditation. You're stuck in the outward journey. So, if you see what I'm saying, then start the dismantling work. Invite yourself to be part of the self-inquiry of dismantling the mind, which is about tracing the mind backward. Now, for some of you, the tracing the mind backward may be new, isn't it? It's a new idea. So, whether it's new, if you're new or been doing, somehow the truth is still missing, isn't it? So, I invite you to look into your daily situation. There's a friction, there's a fight, there's an anger, there's a madness. And because of all that, all this friction,